Hi, I'm Ramon with DoorBird Technical Support. In this video, I'll show you how to integrate a SmartLock with the DoorBird Indoor Station. I'll be using the Quickset Halo Wi-Fi SmartLock as an example, but the process is similar for most smart locks. For this demo, both the DoorBird Indoor Station and the Quickset SmartLock have been set up previously, and I have both apps installed. The next step is to link them together, so I'll grab my phone and walk you through the integration step by step. All right, so I'm going to select the DoorBird app. Next, I'll navigate to the settings by pressing the settings cogwheel at the bottom right. Here, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to select administration under further functionality. And I'm going to sign into my DoorBird D1101B, so I have to sign into the door station, not the indoor station. Next, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to look for the peripheral section. And I'll select settings under peripherals. Here, I'm going to select my indoor station. All right, under door station settings, I'm going to select my indoor station user. Next, I'll go into menu configuration. I'm going to designate the star icon to be the smart lock trigger, so I'm going to press the star icon. Next, I'm going to adjust the action to be a smart lock trigger. So I'll select action, I'll select smart lock, and I'm going to select the Quickset API integration. I'm going to sign in with my credentials, and I'll hit sign in. Perfect, it looks like it took it. So I'm going to go back one more time, and I'll hit save at the top right. All right, the next step is to test it out. So I'm going to press on the star icon, which is what we programmed. Quickset API has been triggered successfully and my smart lock has unlocked.